Tech layoffs linked to AI are making headlines. But are workers really being replaced, or is there a bigger spending shift driving these cuts right now? According to Challenger, AI ranks as the fifth most common reason for job cuts this year, after market and economic conditions, restructuring, and closures. But experts warn these layoffs are not necessarily about AI replacing workers. Instead, many layoffs in tech come as companies shift their budgets from hiring people toward investing heavily in AI infrastructure and tools. Major tech players like Meta and Microsoft are racing to dominate AI. Meta's CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced a major AI acceleration, with over $115 billion planned in AI spending for 2026 alone. Microsoft is also investing heavily in AI development. These huge investments mean money is flowing into AI assets like data centers and advanced models, not just salaries. Forrester analyst J.P. Gownder highlights that companies announcing AI-driven layoffs rarely have mature AI systems ready to fully replace those jobs. This suggests layoffs are less about direct automation and more about reallocating resources to build the AI future. Many companies first offer voluntary buyouts to reduce staff before resorting to forced layoffs. This method reflects a strategic effort to reduce personnel costs as they ramp up spending on AI infrastructure, like training and running advanced AI models, which are costly but critical investments. The current wave of layoffs is tied largely to companies redirecting money toward AI technology rather than simply cutting costs or automating jobs. This subtle shift changes how tech companies balance their workforce and investments amid the AI arms race. For you as a worker or tech enthusiast, this means AI layoffs may not signal immediate job loss to robots, but a changing landscape where companies invest more in AI tools and infrastructure. Staying informed and adaptable is crucial as tech transforms. Subscribe for the latest updates on how AI impacts jobs and the economy.